Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. This is a 2020 model. First thing I'm going to start off with is in the back. It's powered by twin 225 Mercuries. Right in front of that is the ski tow pylon, so you can pull your skiers, tubers, wakeboarders, everything like that. Next thing I want to point out is there is an onboard battery charger built into this boat, and then this jump seat right here. So this opens up, it gives you a nice casting platform in the back. Also, there's additional storage on the side here. Designated storage for your ladder for your dive door. Dive door is located right here. It's definitely a unique feature. You can use it as a tuna door to pull your big fish in, or just dive off and play in the water if you guys would like. Next up, we do have the live well right here. It was optioned with the blue. Then a freshwater wash down right here. Then you have cup holders and rod holders right there, as well as rod holders in the T-top as well. Now coming to the front, at the helm there is a tilt steering wheel, nice footrests at the top and the midsection right here. These are flip-up bolster seats depending on how you want to sit or stand on it. It is digital throttle and shift. One of the unique features about this is you can push it out of the way when you're using the one lever function, and the single lever will control both motors. Next up is the trim tabs. Then you have all your accessory switches right here and a fusion head unit. Next up is going to be the massive head compartment. Great for storage, and those rods in there are actually for the bow sunshade. They'll hook to the T-top and go all the way forward, and those two rods rest in the rod holders right there. Next thing I'm going to point out is this huge sun pad area. Underneath it, tons of storage in there. You can put your rods facing the back right there, up to 6 rods in here. Anything you can think of, scuba tanks, things like that. Next, right here we do have the flip up backrest. Easily gets out of the way. And an additional thing in here is the casting platform insert. It goes right here, and there's also a cushion for it. So it gives you that huge bow cushioned area for you to relax in. Right here there is a Fusion remote for the radio, so if you're up here you want to change your tunes, you can definitely do that. Now right here we do have the windlass anchor. It has a remote control right here, and there is controls at the helm as well. And you guys, again, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston showing you the 2020 270 Dauntless by Boston Whaler. Come by and see us soon.